Welcome to Consensus 2019. My name is Ian Utile. I'm here in Manhattan, and I am doing the second chapter of the live stream of the expo booth, the exhibit hall. And so I've got at least half the folks that I walked by and I did some micro interviews. They were all expecting me, or should have been, because I stopped by first to let them know. And now the next three on this row, and then we'll kind of move on to the next. And I'm going to introduce you to some more people and allow you to find out more about the organizations that are here. Hi there.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
I'm Pan Kamal, Vice President of Corporate Marketing at Thundercore.
It's great to meet you.
Welcome to our Thundercore booth here at
Thank you.
Since 2019.
Yeah, can you please tell us about Thundercore?
Yes, Thundercore, we're a public blockchain. As we say here, faster, scalable, proven. Essentially, what public blockchain is similar to what is similar to Ethereum, which is a public blockchain as well. The only thing is that we're 100 times faster. So we have 1,200 TPS, which is transactions per second, 1 second or sub 1 second block confirmation time. That simply means that our stuff works a whole lot faster. We're completely compatible with Ethereum, and there's a lot of developers who've written dApps, the application in the blockchain space that are written for Ethereum. Because of our compatibility, you can essentially lift that code from the Ethereum platform, move it onto ours almost seamlessly, and the developers and the users instantly enjoy a much faster performance.
Wow.
So that's the real value there. In addition to that, our founders of our company, Chris Wong and Elaine Shi, are both experts in this space. Elaine Shi was this associate professor at Cornell, actually wrote the first white paper on the application of blockchain to cryptocurrency, and has done some phenomenal work in designing our consensus protocols that allow us to be a whole lot faster, it allows us to scale up better, and while all that's happening, still maintain security. So that's kind of a little bit about us.
It's great. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah. Here we go to the next booth. Hi there. Good to see you. Great. As you know, we're live casting and find out about the different booths. So why don't you tell us about your organization, what you do?
Sure. So we are.
And you can just tell me, and they can watch.
Okay.
Makes it easier for you.
Yeah. So we are Avanza, and we basically help to automate your crypto trading strategies.
Okay.
Yeah. That's our main.
And how's your experience been here at Consensus?
Experience has been excellent. Everybody is very friendly. It's been a lot of fun talking to people. A lot of potential partnerships. We're very excited to be here.
Yeah.
Our first time sponsoring a booth, so it's always very exciting.
It is.
Great atmosphere.
Good.
As crypto goes up, makes it even better.
I know. It's definitely an encouraging time right now.
Absolutely.
No doubt about it. Thanks for telling us about what you do. Hi there.
How you doing?
Good. Would somebody like to tell us about your organization?
Sure. So Series 1, we're essentially, to make it easy for everybody, we're a fundraising platform.
Okay.
So we'll enable the entire infrastructure, so you're doing it in a compliant manner, and eventually it leads to a product that you can offer to the market.
That's great. Well, glad that you're here.
Okay.
And thanks for letting me stop by and do a quick interview.
Excellent. Thank you.
All right. Yeah. Thank you. All right. We're going to head down this way. I'll follow you. As I do, so I had another live stream that was before this. That live stream was, 45 minutes long. I think I interviewed probably 30 different people. And then we had to take a quick break. And now we are restarting. We got 3 done. And now we will try and grab one of these folks here to tell us about their organization. So let's see if we can come this way, and if I can find somebody. Hi there. I stopped by earlier. to let people know I'm live streaming interviews of the booths. Would somebody like to tell us about your organization? Okay. Well, we'll move on to the next one. I'll follow you this way. So, Clayton, you can check them out yourself. Hi there.
Oh, there
Good to see you. Would somebody like to tell us about who you are, what you do?
Yeah, so we are Anix, and we have a technology called OTOCN that we're building our blockchain on.
Okay.
It's based on something called content-centric networking. One of the big differences is that every packet is encrypted, makes use of something called zero-proof knowledge algorithms, and it's mostly designed for like machine-to-machine microtransactions, interfacing with smart cities.
Okay.
Right now in Korea and possibly in India.
All right. Cool.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you had a good time here at Consensus.
Absolutely.
Thanks for telling us about what you do. Good.
Thank you.
Hi there.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Would one of you like to tell us about BTC Trader? I stopped by earlier to let you know I'm live streaming the exhibit hall and just doing some brief micro interviews. You can just look directly at me and then the camera can kind of capture our conversation. So tell me about BTC Trader.
We provide white label cryptocurrency exchange solutions. So we deliver the full operational exchange to our partners, and we provide the software as a service manner. We are in the market for 6 years, and one of our reference platforms is the BTC Turk, which is the first cryptocurrency exchange in Turkey and the largest one. They have 600,000 of registered users in the platform, and our strategy is to build a BTC trader network consist of the local exchanges by providing the same and robust infrastructure and also sharing the liquidity between those local exchanges, because we believe that in the future the most important part for the exchanges is the localization. I mean, most of the people will prefer to submit an exchange which has local support, local language support, and where they can deposit their own currencies, the local currencies. But most of the local exchange has problems with the technology and the liquidity. So the BTC Trader Network will have a solution for that. So we have a robust platform which is real world tested for 6 years, and we would like to share this platform as much as we can extend to the world, and also share the liquidity between those local exchanges.
That's great. Well, thank you for telling us about it.
Yeah, thank you.
Hope you have a great show. Hi there.
Hi.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, you too. Good to see you.
Yeah, would you like to tell us about your booth, your company, what you do while you're at Consensus?
Yeah, so Walkers, we're a global offshore law firm.
Okay.
We practice 6 offshore laws, Cayman Islands, British Virgin Islands, Bermuda, Jersey, Guernsey and Ireland. We operate out of 10 offices globally. And we're here at Blockchain at the Consensus conference to just meet blockchain potential clients, anybody looking for any offshore assistance, we're here to help.
All right. Well, we're glad that you're here.
All right.
Thanks for telling us a bit about it.
You're welcome.
Okay. So we'll go left, go there. Right here. All right. Hi there. Would one of you like to tell us about Atrium?
No, this was all you. I already did one. He's the face of our team, so I'm just going to put him to.
How are you? I'm Ian. I stopped by earlier. I'm doing the live stream of the entire exhibit hall and just having people tell us about who they are at their booths.
Great. And who are you with?
I'm with Ian Utile.
Ian Utility. All right.
Here it is. I represent myself. But
nice.
no, I'm part of the Consensus swag bag team, NFT.cred, and I've been doing live stream interviews for the last 3 days for CoinDesk and Consensus and all sorts of different people.
How many of these have you done?
Well, I've already done over half of the exhibit hall.
Well done.
In the last hour or so.
Wow.
So the goal, you can just talk to me and the camera will capture it, but just tell me about your company so that people can find out who you are, what you do.
Sure.
Great.
Atrium is a tech-enabled law firm. We are half law firm. I'm a lawyer. I run the blockchain and fintech practice, and we represent companies. You can see companies we work with here, ranging from privacy coins to stable coins to layer 1, layer 2 solutions, as well as infrastructure companies in the space. We are regulatory. We do regulatory advising, corporate securities advising, and we also, the difference between us and everyone else is the jackets.
Well, the jackets are cool.
That, and we actually understand the ecosystem.
Okay.
Whereas most lawyers, they understand the law.
Right. Big difference.
They may not understand the ecosystem. We understand the law and the ecosystem.
It's great.
And we're the tech. That's our law firm piece. The other half, we're a venture-backed company. We raised $75 million. Andreessen Horowitz led our last round, and we are building legal tech to revolutionize the way legal is delivered. There's so much low-hanging fruit in the legal ecosystem, ranging from some stuff as simple as like a form generator. More
Is that under the same name?
All one. So we're building our own proprietary tech to
Very
make
smart.
lawyer-client interaction more efficient, transparent, cost-effective, and we're also innovating in pricing. No billable hours, which is actually a novelty in the legal profession. I don't know if you've ever hired a lawyer.
Sure.
The lawyers don't particularly like it. The clients don't particularly like it. So we're going to get rid of it. We've gotten rid of it. And for me, I just like spending my time helping companies in this ecosystem that are actually have meaningful projects that are shaping this in a very advanced
It's great.
ecosystem.
Well, thanks for telling us about it.
Yeah, happy to do it.
Yeah, very cool what you guys are doing.
Thank you.
The tech side is very, very cool. So is the new services model. I dig it. All right, here we are. All right.
We are preparing here, so you can we have 3 minutes?
I'll come back. Here we are to the next booth. Hi there. I stopped by earlier. Let folks know that I'm doing the live stream of the whole exhibit hall. And I'd love to tell people about what your company does and why you're here. If you want to come a little closer, the microphone's right here.
No, can you stand in it though?
She's our girl.
I'm not.
You're their girl.
Okay. So we are Permission.io. We are trying to disrupt the advertising industry. I'm sure you've heard about the problems with data exploitation, interruption. I mean, how many times do you get an ad on your phone that you have no interest in, or it's like creepily accurate that it like just freaks you out? So we're trying to solve that issue, but then on the other side, the issue that advertisers have is they're spending more and more money to get less results and decreasing ROI and decreasing conversions. So we believe in a permission model that will solve that by advertisers have to ask permission from consumers to send them marketing messages, and consumers, if they choose to grant that permission as well as permission to use their data to target them, they'll get compensated. So it makes it more of a transparent, playing field, and it works better for everyone involved.
It's great.
Yeah.
Permission.io if you want to find out more about how they're disrupting marketing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. What channel? Is it a YouTube channel or?
Yeah, and I'll come back and kind of share, but it's Ian Utile, and we're live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.
Okay, because we have tons of content creation on here.
Yeah.
And we could use some of your videos if you want.
Be great.
Okay, cool.
Good.
Awesome.
All right.
Kind of like path tracing and a little more complex stuff, but right now that's our...
Hi there.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good.
Nice to meet you.
You too? And so would you like to... Hi there, I'm Ian.
Yeah.
So would one of you like to tell us briefly, 15 seconds, what's your organization, why you're here, and let people know, as I said earlier, we're coming by doing some live stream interviews.
Yeah, awesome.
Sure.
Yeah, go for it.
We're with XYO. We are decentralized location Oracle and now other IoT Oracle. Basically, there's IoT, then there's an Oracle in between there, and then there's a blockchain. So if you want to resolve a smart contract based on, let's say, two devices interacting and with a certain certainty, then we are the ones to do that. So you can do payment upon delivery for your Amazon packages, for example, or you can do identity applications, smart cities, self-driving cars, and a lot of these things.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for telling me about it.
Thank you.
All right.
Track all inventory in their Steam
Decentralized Oracle network. Decentralized Oracle network. So when you make a smart contract, it cannot connect to data natively. In fact, you can only execute on Ethereum.
I think we'll move on to the next one. Hi there. Good, good. I'm live streaming kind of a tour through the expo hall. Would one of you like to tell us about your organization, BlockFi? Great. Microphone's right here, so you can just talk to me and the camera will capture it.
Cool. Yeah, so we offer two products right now. We have a crypto-backed loan and a crypto interest account. So loan, pretty straightforward. You have Bitcoin, but you need cash, but you don't want to sell that position. Send that collateral to us. You get the cash, and at the end of that loan, you get your coins back. Pretty straightforward. And the interest account is, think of it like a traditional savings account. You deposit either your Bitcoin or your Ethereum with us, and we pay 6% annually. So that interest compounds every day, and then it's paid out in the beginning of each month.
Great. And your website is?
BlockFi.com.
BlockFi.com to find out more. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. All right, we're going down to the next micro row of exhibit hall. All right. Hi there. How are you?
How are you?
Good. My name is Ian.
Hello, Ian.
And we're doing a live stream of the exhibit hall. I'd love to find out about ZagTrader. Could you tell us about it?
Oh, yeah. Well, we're based out of Dubai.
Okay.
And we flew all the way here to exhibit and basically tell the people around the world what's going on. So basically, we're a technology firm, 10 years old. We started into the equities space and then later on started moving into the blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Basically, it's a platform that has all the components integrated together from front ends, middle office, back office, accounting. So it's an all-inclusive ecosystem. We find the ecosystem is lacking these times of the maturity stage, with the platforms that can provide the stuff at the back that helps into achieving regulatory approvals, the reporting, the workflows, and all of that. And everybody's been focusing on a couple of web pages that look really nice and then hook it up to a trading engine, and that's it. So there's a hardship in getting regulation and recognition. We try to make that seamless because we work with banks, central banks, investment banks around the world for almost 25 regulators.
Okay.
So we had that experience. I'm trying to bring that into this industry. So it's doing well. We love the show. It was awesome for us.
It's great.
Yeah.
Well, glad you're here. Thanks for telling us about ZagTrader.
Thank you so much.
Great.
Somebody needs to add to it.
Yeah, I know. Should I interrupt you for a moment?
Literally be 15 seconds.
Please excuse me for interrupting, but just doing a quick little bio on the organization out of Santa Clara, California.
20 minutes dissertation on
Yeah, exactly.
So
yeah, it's good to see you again.
Yes.
And just talk to me and then we'll capture the moment. But tell me about your organization, what you do.
Absolutely. I'm Michael Quinn. I'm with Faytian, and we're a 20-year-old public company that deals with security. What we're offering today is a cold storage cryptocurrency wallet. It can be used with either type of phone, an Android or an iPhone, using Bluetooth. We also have a universal second factor in there, so it can be used in other applications as a passwordless second factor. And with the Bluetooth, it can interact safely with multiple different types of currency, cryptocurrency, and our next generation will have a biometric on it to make it even more secure.
It's great. Well, thank you for explaining it.
You're very welcome. Thank you for coming by.
Absolutely.
There you go. I don't know how.
That was great. No, that was good. Let's see if we can find somebody from this one. Here we go, right here. You can just stay there and I'll bring him in. Hey.
Hi.
How you doing? I'm Ian.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
I let one of the people here know I was coming by. I'm doing a live stream of the whole exhibit hall.
Cool.
And then I'm just grabbing each booth and doing like a quick bio on who you are, why you're here.
Cool.
So would you like to do that with me?
Let me run it by the powers that be.
Or whoever the power at be is to do it.
Have a co-founder.
I'm fine with either one. Anybody can probably do it.
Tap him on the shoulder in a minute.
Okay, great. I'll swing back by.
Where is your audience typically?
Well, it depends, kind of who shares. But I'm here with Consensus doing the Consensus swag bag with NFT and NFT cred.
Cool.
And then I've been doing live stream interviews for the last few days. But this is all streaming to my Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter accounts.
Sweet.
And then it'll be shared out depending on what kind of is captured.
Awesome. Yeah, let me see if
It's a pretty big booth. Definitely like one of the coolest booths there is here, huh? They made all this lounge area. People are...
For now, yes. In the future, we'll continue expanding, but for now, it's just
Yeah, you can just check it out.
I was going to connect them with Tyler, potentially.
Hey there, I'm Ian.
How can I help you?
Yeah, we're going, and I'm live streaming the exhibit hall.
Okay.
And then I'm just doing quick micro interviews, like 15 seconds. Just who are you, what are you doing? That way your team can repurpose it if you want, but lets me kind of get through the whole entire thing.
I actually think Trevor tried to throw Tyler under the bus. I tapped Trevor on the shoulder and he said, no. So your hands now.
Oh, okay. Big booth, lots of people. It's very cool. I do like the shirts.
It seems like they've been distributed.
Oh yeah, we have private investors. So
is this the right guy to talk with?
Yes, that's the CEO.
There's probably
I'm just saying if he's actually
that you have, and it's sold it.
because he's been in panels all day, so he's finally getting these things done.
But the key of why the token, once we let any app spend against the network.
While he has this conversation, we'll do this here.
That's it.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I'm Ian.
Ian, nice to meet you.
I stopped by earlier to let people know I'm doing a live stream of the whole exhibit hall.
Okay, hello.
And I'm just doing quick little micro interviews on each of the booths.
Okay.
Could you tell me about Shift?
Shift, yes. So we've been in the finance space for about 10 years, actually.
Okay.
We started in foreign currency trading. This is my partner, Mike.
Hi, how are you? Michael.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
He's actually the best person to describe what we do.
Yeah, so we're just capturing like quick 15-second micro interviews on each booth so that people can know what's going on. I'm just doing a live stream of the whole exhibit hall.
Okay, great. You mind if I jump in?
Yeah, please.
So, Shift started in 2009, offering full solutions for FX brokers to start their own FX shop. 2016, we pivoted to offer the full suite for someone to run their own cryptocurrency exchange. We have several ancillary products, including an STO, or security token issuance platform. We have our own in-house liquidity offering, as well as other FX and crypto services.
Great. Well, thank you for telling me about Shift.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it, guys.
I'll follow you this way, and we'll hit the next booth. Luca. Hi. All right. Hi there.
Nice to meet you. How are you doing?
You too. I stopped by earlier to let folks know that I'm live streaming the exhibit hall.
Fantastic.
And I'm stopping by each booth to get a quick little 15-second, who are you?
Sure.
So tell us who you are. You can just talk to me and we'll capture the moment.
Perfect. So we are Luca. So we are portfolio accounting software for crypto enterprises. We started as a retail platform 5 years ago. You fast forward to today, we have 150 hedge funds on platform, 12 fund administrators, 3 auditors, a handful of logo enterprises in the crypto space, and we do that all, for the love of adoption, at an institutional level.
It's great. Well, thank you for telling us about it.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
All right, cheers. Thank you. These guys have the coolest shirts. They say hello, future. Hi there. Good. Ian?
Nice meeting you, Ian.
You too. I stopped by earlier to let people know I'm live streaming the exhibit hall and doing quick little micro interviews. Would one of you be the right people to tell us? I'm doing a little quick micro interviews.
Oh, micro interviews. So Brady's probably better one?
Yeah, I let him know that I was going to stop by. Maybe you could show me one of those shirts while I'm waiting. I'll take either an extra large or a large.
Brady will probably be best for an interview also.
What questions were you going to ask?
Just tell us about, that's it, just tell me about your organization.
Got it, yeah.
Super simple.
Let's literally do one extra large.
Either one is probably going to be fine.
Yeah, Brady or Steve would probably be either more eloquent speakers on what we do and kind of different like 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I come back?
Yeah, you come back and after you talk to them, you come back and we'll...
I do like the shirt. Hello, future. It's the best. Hi there. How are you? Good. I stopped by earlier to let people know I am doing a live stream of the exhibit hall, and I'd love to have one of you explain what Blockstack is.
I'll come back later. It's like you got.
Like for 15 seconds, just super simple.
to explain that. Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah, why don't you come close? The microphone's right here. You can just tell me and the camera will capture it.
Yeah, okay. How long is it?
15 seconds, super simple. Go ahead.
So Blastic is the first decentralized computing platform where you can build applications that puts back the power to the user. So you as a user basically owns your identity and data in the entire ecosystem.
It's great. Well, thank you for telling me about it. Hope you had a great show.
Have a nice day, mate.
All right. Hi. I'm live streaming the exhibit hall, and I wanted to come and have somebody explain what your company is and what you do. Would you like to come a little closer? The microphone's right here. And you can just tell me and the camera will capture it.
Sure. So we're Zilliqa. We are a smart contract and public blockchain platform based out of Singapore. And actually we just went live with our mainnet 4 months ago.
Okay.
So yeah, we're really excited to be at Consensus, to meet all different folks in the ecosystem. And yeah, just kind of grow awareness on what we do.
It's great. Well, thank you for telling me a bit about what you do. All right, have a great day. You want to be live streamed again?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, wait. This is Monica.
Is this live?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Everything's live.
Okay,
I don't want to post-produce stuff.
I know. Okay.
We did a fun interview yesterday morning.
We did. What are you doing today?
I have almost interviewed every single booth in the last hour.
Where's the construct room?
I don't know.
No?
It's somewhere. So how is Consensus for you?
Consensus
It's
is
almost
good.
done.
Yeah, well, today has been crazy.
Yeah, tell me all about it.
It seems like there's a lot more people here than yesterday.
Right.
Because the price went up, and now everybody's buying tickets to Wednesday. They're like, oh shoot, Bitcoin's back in the game.
Maybe
we got to be back. So
right.
Yeah.
And so how is it for you, and how is it for your company, Hilo.io? If you don't know Monica, it's Hilo, HILO.io. And
It's been crazy. I mean, really wild. Everyone's really excited about it. We've met with a bunch of potential partners, investors, and so it's been a really good conference for us.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
This year.
This is your year.
Because the little bull market's back.
Good.
Yeah.
Crypto spring, as you said it yesterday.
Good to see you.
You too.
Cheers.
All right. Hi. As I mentioned earlier, I'm doing a live stream of the whole exhibit hall. Would one of you like to tell me about your organization? Hi there, I'm Ian.
Hi.
And so you can just look at me and the film will just kind of capture the live stream.
Yeah.
Go ahead, tell me about your organization.
Well, we are China Exchange. We launched a couple of months ago. We are focusing on three main pillars here. First of all, data. So you can see up here, this is our data solution that launched not long ago. We had an article in Forbes a couple of days ago about this stuff. So we collect data from blockchains, from other exchanges, and and in future from social media, social networks. We normalize it and aggregate it and provide to traders these charts and indicators. So basically, you wanna. It is a separate product. So the second thing we're working on is the solution for custodial function. So we are building a second layer network where the client will have a separate wallet. We call it decentralized accounts. So it will be a multi-sig wallet where one key will belong to the client, the other one to the exchange. And most of the client's funds will be kept on this wallet. So let's say 90% of his funds will be kept outside of centralized wallets. In case we are hacked or we are down or we close our operations, the client will get his funds back.
Right.
Yeah, so that's in few words what we are working on right now. We also work on some exotic contracts that doesn't exist on other exchanges, like volatility trading or mining difficulty trading or something like that, or fixed income trading.
Right. That's great. Well, thank you for telling me all about it.
Yeah, great pleasure.
Okay. All right, so that's it. Here we are at the exhibit hall, and that is our second installment of live streaming interviews of all the folks that have booths here. Hope you enjoyed getting to know some of the folks. Always for me, when I do this, I learn a lot, so I had a great time. I'll see you again soon.